Hello, to do the focus finder big breath activity, the main thing you really need is a square of toilet paper or a tissue. I've already started ripping this tissue into strips, but you'll want to crumple up either a piece of toilet paper or a tissue into a small ball. So that, like I just did, you can pinch, pinch, rip, and then pinch, push, crumple. This is really great for each of you, my young friends, to be doing. And then once you have a couple of your little pieces that you can use as the sports ball for this game or this activity that you'll be blowing as part of the game, the other part is if you have available an empty cardboard tube, such as like a toilet paper tube, you can see I cut one up already here, but you can squish it flat and then you draw a line, drawing thick lines on it. Being that it's kind of a thicker material, it will be easier for the kids to cut. Thumbs on top through the smaller hole, and then we cut along the line. So then you can use, you can have one for each of you. You and your child can both play, or you can have 3 people play, and so forth. And then you can decorate. You can see I've already drawn some different shapes on mine, and I added some flair so that when you blow, you can see that it moves, and having something that kind of shows us our breath gives it a bit of a visual component to help make it easier to understand what we're doing. And then the little round piece helps us to focus where our breath is coming out. If you don't have a toilet paper tube piece ready, you can use any piece of paper. I've got a piece of junk mail here, and you can just roll that piece of paper, and then you have a focus finder for your breath to go through that is just a rolled up piece of paper. And so then each of you can have one of these. Then you move across the floor, blowing your pieces, just like that. And you can make finish lines by using everyday objects. You could use a tissue box as a finish line, and you can use your pieces on the floor, or if you do have a table that you want to use. So there's, for example, you're moving along, and I got my tissue piece to the ending point, the Kleenex box. Another option is you could use tape and draw a tape line on the floor, or a letter, or an infinity sign, and challenge your child. You guys could blow the tissue balls around those shapes. The last way I have here that you could do with it is you could use Play-Doh. So you could roll your Play-Doh out into long, seam lines. My floor is still clean, and then I cleaned it earlier. And then you can shape it into a track. For example, you can make like a swirly shape and try to see if you can blow along the side of that shape. So that was kind of the tricky one, but you can see there are different ways you can make games out of this and activities. You can get really creative, make obstacles, shoes placed throughout the room that you need to blow the ball through to get to an ending point. It can be a whole lot of fun. Anyways, that's been it for this demonstration. Thanks.